Welcome back. Today I am going to about state object in SwiftUI. First of all, what is state object? State object is the new property wrapper that initializes the instance of a class that conform to observable object protocol and store it inside the SwiftUI framework internal memory. Internal memory. SwiftUI creates state object only once for every container. SwiftUI creates state object only once for every container that declare it and keeps it outside of view lifecycle So first of all, use of state object. Then we are going to create a model command and then we are going to create a Swift file model. So now we are going to create a model struct model. Then we are going to property name var name type of string. Our model is complete command. Then we are going to create a Swift file use of view model use of state object require of model and view model. Use of state object require of view and view model. So then we are going to create a class view model confirm protocol observable object. View model confirm protocol observable object. Use of state object observable object. Then we are going to create a property published var view model type of model. Class view model has no initializer, so require of class initializer init view model type of model self dot view model equal to view model. So our view model is complete. Then we are going to use of view state object example. So first of all, then we are going to create a instance of state object private var vm instance of view model vm type of view model. Assign the value of default equal to view model. View model require of model. Assign the value of name. Hello sir, how are you? So state object instance is complete. State object instance use of our view. Then we are going to create a text. So text assign the value of state object. Also binding of state object. So vm dot view model dot name. Then we will apply the font on the text. Then we will apply the font weight on the text. Dot heavy. Now we will apply the font foreground color on the text. Foreground color dot green. So we can run. Good. Hello sir, how are you? So binding of state object. Model, view model, state object. So state object. What is state object? State object is the property wrapper. State object is the new property wrapper that initialize the instance of a class view model that conform to observable object protocol. That view model class that conform to observable object protocol. Conform observable object protocol. And store it inside the SwiftUI framework internal memory. SwiftUI creates state object. SwiftUI creates state object only once for every container. That declare it and keeps it outside of view lifecycle. So we can run. Good. How are you?